Okay, dear students, second year already discussed the previous classes of integrations. Already we know that what is the integration? Antiderivative is called an integration. Antiderivative is called an integration. The first exercise is completed. Second exercise is the side heading. Methods of substitution. What is the methods? The substitution method also is derivative the substitution methods. This is also integration the substitution methods. Integration by of algebraic. What is the algebraic function? X square, x cube, 3x square, 5x square is the algebraic functions. Next, exponential functions. What is the exponential function? E power x, e power x, e power minus ax, e power minus bx is the exponential functions. And the logarithmic functions. Already we know that what is the logarithmic function? 1 log x, log of ax plus b, log of 2x plus 3 is the logarithmic functions. Next, trigonometric. What is the trigonometric function? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta is the trigonometric functions. And inverse trigonometric. What is the inverse trigonometric functions? Sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, sin h inverse x is also etc. Trigonometric, inverse trigonometric function. Integration by parts. Nothing but derivative is the uv. This is also the formula is the uv method. uv method. Product of two different functions. Product of two different functions. Nothing but x into cos x, x into e power x, e power x into sin x, sin inverse x into cos x. This is the product of the two different functions using the integration by parts. Nothing but uv formula. Some formulas by the integration. First formula is the 1 by integration of 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a into log of ax plus b, 1 by a into log of ax plus b. Integration of e power ax dx is equal to e power ax by a plus c. Integration of e power minus ax dx is equal to e power minus ax by minus a plus c. Integration of sin of ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a into cos of ax plus b. Cos of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a into cos of ax plus 1 by a into sin of ax plus b, 1 by a into sin of ax plus b. Integration of secant square of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a into tan of ax plus b. Integration of cosecant square of ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a into cot of ax plus b plus c. Cosecant of ax plus b into cot of ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a into cosecant of ax plus b plus c. Integration of secant of ax plus b tan of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a into secant of ax plus b plus c. Next formula, integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. n not equal to minus 1. Integration of f dash x by under root f of x is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. 2 root f of x plus c. Integration of f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x plus c. Integration of tan x is equal to minus log of cos x plus c or log of secant x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is equal to log of sin x plus c. Integration of secant x dx is equal to log of secant x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant x dx is equal to log of cosecant x minus cot x. These are second exercise formulas. Write the first time should be every formula is 5 times. We by the formulas. Every formulas by easy the problems. Otherwise the problems are solve, not getting the solvation. First problem, integration of x power 5 by first problem is integration of x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx, x power 12 dx. Use the substitution method. First, integration of x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx is equal to integration of x power 5 by 1 plus we write the x power 6 whole square dx, x power 12 is equal to write the x power 6 whole square whole power 2, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n, nothing but a power x power 6 into 2 is equal to x power 12. Put x power 6 is equal to t, derivative with respect to x, derivative with respect to x. What is the derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. What is the derivative of x power n? D by dx of x power n is equal to d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Nothing but n is equal to how much? 6. 6 into x power 6 minus 1. Derivative is the x amount. Nothing but t is the dependent variable. Nothing but dt by dx. 6 into x power 5 is equal to dt by dx. X power 5 into dx is equal to dt by 6. Only this is the numerator power is the x power 5 into dx. Take the x power 5 dx. First, integration of x power 5 by 1 plus x power 6 whole square dx is equal to, what is the x power 5 into dx is equal to dt by 6 by 1 plus x power 6 is equal to, what is the value? T square is equal to 1 by 6 is the constant. Write the integration outside. 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Alright, we know that 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Formula 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c is equal to 1 by 6 into tan inverse x, nothing but t plus c is equal to 1 by 6 into tan inverse. T is equal to, what is the value? X power 6. Must and should be substitute. This is the substitution method in algebraic function. First, integration of x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx. Integration of x power 5 by 1 plus x power dx. X power 12 is derived of x power 6 whole square. X power 6 is equal to t, derivative with respect to x. 6 into x power 6 minus 1 is equal to dt by dx. 6 into x power 6 minus 1, nothing but 5. 6 into x power 5 is equal to dt by dx. X power 5 dx is equal to dt by 6. X power 5 dx is equal to, what is the value? dt by 6. 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square formula tan inverse t. 1 plus t square is equal to tan inverse t. T is equal to x power 5. What is the value? T is equal to x power 5. Next problem is 5 1 plus x square dx. Integration of x by 1 plus x square dx. No formula. First we substitution method. Put x square is equal to t. X square derivative with respect to x. X square derivative 2x is equal to dt by dx. X dx is equal to dt by 2. Write down only x dx. Integration of x dx by 1 plus x square. X dx is equal to dt by t. 1 plus t is equal to x square is equal to t. 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus t dt. Already we know that integration of 1 by 1 plus x dx is equal to log of 1 plus x plus c, or integration of f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. చూడండి ఇక్కడ f dash x f of x is equal to, what is the f of x is equal to 1 plus t. F dash x f of t is equal to 1 plus t. F dash 1 and nothing but constant. Constant derivative nothing but 0. T derivative nothing but 1 is equal to 1. Nothing but f dash t by f of t. F dash t by f of t is equal to, what is the formula? Log of f of x. Log f of x is equal to, what is the f of x? 1 plus t is equal to log of 1 plus t plus c. 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus t is equal to x square plus c. Log of x square plus c. Next problem. 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. First we write the 3x square by 1 plus x cube whole square dx. X cube whole square dx. Put x cube is equal to t. Use the substitution method. Derivative with respect to x. What is the x cube derivative? 3x square is equal to dt by dx. Already write the numerator is 3x square, does not change. 3x square dx is equal to dt. Integration of 3x square by 1 plus x cube whole square dx. 3x square dx is equal to, what is the value? dt by 1 plus x cube is equal to t square is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to, what is the formula? Tan inverse x, nothing but tan inverse t plus c is equal to tan inverse t is equal to x cube plus c. This is the method of substitution in algebraic functions. Another important problems. x power 8 by 1 plus x power 8 in dx. Second problem is integration of 2x cubed by 1 plus x power 8 dx. 1 plus x power 8 dx. This is the important problem. First, integration of x power 8 by 1 plus x power 8, we write the x power 9 whole square dx. X power 9 whole square dx. Put x power 9 is equal to t. Derivative with respect to x. What is the derivative of x power 9? D by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. What is the value of n? 9 into x power 9 minus 1. T is the dependent variable. D is nothing but dt by dx. 9 into x power 8 is equal to dt by dx. Only the numerator is x power 8. 9 goes to x power 8 dx is equal to dt by 9. Next, integration of x power 8 by 1 plus x power 9 whole square dx. X power 8 dx is equal to what is the value? dt by 9 by 1 plus x power 9 is equal to t square is equal to 1 by 9 is the constant. 1 by 1 plus t square tt is equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse t plus c is equal to 1 by 9 into tan inverse t is equal to what is the value? X power 9 plus c. T is equal to x power 9 plus c. This is the substitution method of algebraic functions. Next, the homework is integration of 2x cubed by 1 plus x power 8. Next homework is third problem, integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. These two are homework problems. Next, next problem, integration of cos cube x sin x dx. Cos cube x sin x dx. First, integration of cos x whole cube sin x dx. First, put cos x is equal to t. Substitute method. Derivative with respect to x. Cos x derivative nothing but minus sin x. Next, t is the dependent variable is equal to dt by dx. Only write the sin x. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Substitute the above equation. Integration of cos x whole cube sin x dx. Cos x is equal to t cube. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt is equal to t equal to n is equal to 3. 3 power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c minus t is equal, what is the value? Cos x whole power 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus c is equal to, we also write cos power 4x by 4 plus c. This is the substitution method. Substitution method of trigonometric function. This is also write the direct formula. What is the direct formula? F of x whole power n into f dash x. What is the formula? Direct formula. What is the direct formula? Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the f of x. This is the f dash x. What is the formula? F of x whole power n into f dash x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Suppose f of x is equal to, what is the formula? F of x is equal to cos x. F dash x nothing but cos x derivative minus sin x. We multiply the minus, nothing but minus cos x whole cube into minus sin x dx is equal f of x whole power n into f dash x. F of x whole power n into f dash x is equal to nothing but f of x whole power n plus 1, 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c is equal to minus cos power x